The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch?
Dancehall.
So it's a Yankee talk to you, what about?
This Indian man is not a very good boy. He's a very bad lying man. He's not supporting the barbershop. Every day I come buy everything. Curry, roti, dal, everything. I cook dinner.
I don't sell curry, roti.
You sell curry. I see curry.
Where's the curry, man?
You sell curry. See curry? Indian curry.
Man.
You
Where's the
sell
curry,
Indian
man?
curry.
No curry, you know.
I'm
No
not going to
Indian
buy.
curry.
I'm
No
not going to
Indian
purchase
curry.
anything
No
back.
Indian curry, man.
I'm going to send you back to Mumbai.
Okay, wait.
You're not very good. Tonight I'm flying you back to Mumbai on the first flight.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You must spend money in the barbershop.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I buy everything here. I buy curry, I buy roti, dal.
I spend every week $1,500 in barbershop, man.
We don't collect $1,500.
No, you don't correct. Billy correct.
Billy rob you then. Yeah, I'm fucking mad.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm presenting these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. Alright? Now, I'm telling you from right now that I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when these videos have been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where in the world these videos have been recorded. But however, I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can take a look at these videos. You can also let me know what you think about these videos as well. Alright? You don't know me there, so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who is new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a person talking in a certain accent, and I'm wondering if that person actually speaks that way. Now, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know if you think the person was mimicking the person who he was talking to in the video, or if the person actually speaks that way. You see me? Yeah, you can also let me know what accent the person was using, and you can also let me know if you think the person was just imitating an accent. Alright? Let me know what I think about that video. Alright? Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows when a person came out of his house with a gun and confronted a person who was trying to steal his package. Viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering if this video actually shows something that happened for real or if it is just an act. Alright? You can let me know if you think this video shows something that happened for real or if it is just an act. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Put my shit back on this fucking porch. Yeah. I saw you when you got out the motherfucking car. You're trying to put my shit back on this motherfucking porch.
Sure.
You done lost your motherfucking mind. You don't come up on my shit and take my shit.
You got it.
You lucky.
You got it.
You lucky.
You got it.
Motherfucker. You see this motherfucker just tried to take it?
Viewers and subscribers, and are real, I take a look at the video and I'm wondering if the video is an act, you know. I am wondering if it is a publicity stunt. You see me? I don't fully accept that this video shows something that happened for real. You understand? But you can let me know what you think about the video, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a motor vehicle that was being driven by a person, and the motor vehicle backed out of a driveway and then slide down a road, right? Motor vehicle backed out of a driveway and then slide down the road. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me why you think this happened. All right? Take a look at this video and tell me why you think this happened. All right? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me. Alright, I am wondering if that happened because of a weather condition. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I'm wondering that. Because sometimes some places within the world get so cold to the point where roads get slippery. You understand me? Yeah, I look at the video and I look to see if I see any oil spills, and I didn't see any oil spills. You know what I say? So I'm wondering if that happened because of a weather condition. So may I say, yeah, I'm also wondering if the video fake as well too. But anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. All right, and I have one more video that I'm going to present to you. But before I present that video to you, I'm going to talk to you about a few things. Yes, what may I say to you? Now I'm going to talk to you about this whole issue where it is said that a flight attendant who goes by the name of Kalina, who arrived within the country of Jamaica sometime within the month of January the year 2021, and it is said that she did 3 COVID-19 tests, and it is said that 2 of the COVID-19 tests came back positive to her, and it is said that she was in quarantine and that she said some things on social media while she was in quarantine that started a rumor where it is said that she was being held hostage within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, it was not true. You see what I'm saying to you? Nothing no go so. You see me? Now, I saw news articles about the female who goes by the name of Kalina, where it is said that she lost her job as a flight attendant with JetBlue. You see me? Yeah, it is said that JetBlue fired her. It is said that a person who represents JetBlue apologized to the government of Jamaica and said other things as well. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, the person who represents JetBlue, the first name of that person is said to be Derek. I can't quite remember the person's last name. Yes, what I'm saying to you. It is said that the person is a manager and something else. I can't remember that. But however, you know, I'm just telling you the understanding that I got about that. You see me? And for those who might not have a full understanding about this whole thing, about Kalina, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I did about this whole issue. Alright, so I'm going to move on to the video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, you can let me know what you think about this whole issue where it is said that a female said some things on social media that caused a rumor to spread on social media where it is said that she was held hostage within the country of Jamaica. It is not true. I'm just saying that again. Alright, now I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and before I present the video to you, I want you to take a look at this picture and tell me what name this person goes by on social media. You see me? Yeah. Tell me who you see in this picture. You see me? You see it? And if you don't know, you can check the comment section of this video. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you can check the comment section of this video if you don't know. You see me? Yeah. Maybe persons might tell you. You see me? And if someone don't tell you, then maybe me will tell you. But you can check the comment section. Alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think that this video shows a female who was acting stubborn on an airplane. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a confrontation between persons on an airplane. You understand me? However, the video has been brought to my attention and I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Ma'am, I'm right here. Are you going to get off the aircraft or are you going to sit there and scream? I'm just asking. Because it's going to be your turn.
I got
so
to
you
pee.
need to go.
I got to get off of here. Ma'am, I'm trying to...
I'm watching you attack her.
You go out of here. Thank you.
Excuse me, I work here, ma'am.
Well, I need
All right?
I need
Get off the aircraft, please.
I'm going to leave it right there, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one, alright? And yeah, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Attendant.